The new Costco coupon book just dropped, and it's a great time to plan your next stock-up trip. This month's deals run through August 24th and offer discounts on household essentials, name-brand goods, and some surprising finds you might not expect to see on sale at Costco. This fan favorite is fully cooked and freezer-ready. Shoppers love the flavor and convenience of these antibiotic-free chicken breast chunks. Cold and flu season is coming. Save $5 on a 10-box pack of 230-count tissues. That's significantly cheaper than online alternatives. These lightweight sneakers feature a cloud foam midsole for cushioning and come in green or black. They're a solid deal compared to the $65 price tag on Adidas's site. This 2-pack of tangerine-flavored gummies contains 360 tablets total. They're gluten-free and designed to support your immune system at a lower cost than many competitors. Save $9 on this 20-pack of Gillette razor refills. Considering that a 10-pack elsewhere can run over $30, this is one of the best shaving deals around. Get $4 off this color-protecting laundry detergent. It helps clothes stay vibrant and fresh-smelling. This high-end vacuum offers 60 minutes of runtime and includes 10 accessories. It's $140 off at Costco and $190 less than buying directly from Dyson. This 4-pack of clinging gel makes toilet cleaning easier. Just apply under the rim and wait. Choose from Breakfast Blend, Pacific Bold, or Summit Roast, and save $6 on this 120-count pack. Many shoppers say it rivals more expensive brands in both taste and value. If you wear contacts, this deal could save you $110 when you buy 8 boxes. A valid prescription is required, but the savings are hard to beat. Perfect for sensitive skin, this 2-pack features fragrance-free 24-ounce bottles. With 30 jumbo rolls of 2-ply toilet paper, this is one of Costco's most popular buys, with a $6 discount. This oversized sectional offers both style and storage. Shoppers love the quality, and it's $500 off this month. Costco's August coupon book brings deep discounts on essentials that can help you save big on groceries, home goods, and personal care. From snacks to sneakers, the deals this month are worth checking out before they expire on August 24th.